What is up, fam? Hope you guys are having a blessed, happy, and overall great day, guys. Today is a day that I've waited for so long. You guys have no idea how long. It's kind of emotional, it's kind of exciting, it's kind of scary. But I want to thank you guys for even allowing this to be possible. Guys, I'm hoping by the end of next month, which means the paycheck I get this week and the paycheck I get next month, I will have enough to move into my very own place. Guys, I've never lived alone. I went from living with my parents to being married and living it with my ex-wife to then moving back with family. And I don't know, guys, this is scary, but I met a really awesome dude, Josh, from Remax Realty. I told him, Josh, my credit sucks because I haven't used it in 7 months. And he said, don't worry, bro, I got you. So today he's taking me over to several different locations to take a look to see what could maybe work in my price range as well as with my credit. And I want to take you guys along and I want your input too. All right, fam, so this is the very first one. I guess these are considered, maybe they're apartments, townhouses maybe? I think they're townhouses because I told him I wanted either a townhouse or a house. So that's it, guys. All right, what do you think? No. So cool thing, you got a garage right here. You know, I don't drive, but I could, that's a lot of storage right there, which I do need storage. Walk up the stairs. And I love the wood floors. Got a nice big area right here. Hey, Josh. That's Josh from Remax right there. All right, and then you got, this is the master bedroom, or no, this is not the master bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms, pretty good size. I do like it. I'm gonna go really quick through these. Got a little view from the outside, which you guys know I like to just sit outside sometimes, so that's actually a must right there. Put a little breakfast table right there would be good. That is the kitchen, and then we are going into the master bedroom. And I think I would give this room to my girls because, well, no, that was the master bedroom. This is not, wait, this is the master bedroom. See, I get confused, guys, and there's only 2 rooms. So this is the master bedroom. Maybe I give it to him because it has that. So I do like it. And we're going to go take a look at some more. So let's see you at the next place. So that is the very first location. Very cool townhouse. Super affordable. Like, Josh was telling me that he is not going to find a better deal than that place, right? That is the best deal, bro.
Bang for your buck.
Not only that, I'm thinking first, last, security. Nope, guess what? Only first. No last, no security. I mean, I was thinking I'm looking for a place to move in next month. But for that kind of price, then I could just move in like tomorrow or like this you know, October 1st. So I don't know, Josh says, you know, I think Josh saw me getting a little excited. He's like, well, James, slow down, bring it back a little bit. I still got a couple more places that I have to show you because he told me that's the cheapest place. That was like, let's just say $1,500 a month. That's about what that is. So now we're going to look at the next one. How much is this next one a month?
We're going to show you.
Okay,
we're gonna do it all live.
You're gonna, hey, I like that. You see that? Josh says you're gonna have to wait till you get there. So see when we get there. We're at our second location. Funny story. This is a location I came with my kids to take a look, and I didn't have my ID, so they wouldn't let me look. But it is right by the beach. Like, the beach is how far? It's right there, right?
2 blocks. We're gonna drive by it.
The beach is 2 blocks from here, so I can walk to the beach. It has a bowling alley, guys. This is crazy. Let's go take a look. Oh my God. There is a bowling alley inside of this place in the community rec park. Are you kidding me? Can you imagine, fam, you come to visit, I'm like, hey, you want to go bowling? And we go bowling. Like, what the hell? This place is really neat. I got like a little game room, video games. Oh, I'll play some cards. There's the pool out there. Very, very, very nice. Very beautiful. Haven't seen the rooms here yet, but so far, Now, I told Josh that I'm not really looking for an apartment, but he's like, listen, you have to at least look at this. It's a luxury apartment, and it's right near the ocean, 2 blocks away, which I already showed you. So let me show you this place. It's also a 2-bedroom. And you guys tell me the difference between this and the last one. Now, one cool thing besides all the really nice material they use for everything is no one has ever lived in here before, which means if I get this one, no one's ever lived in here before. So this would be a great place for my little breakfast table. You got a nice good living area there, nice balcony. Here's a washer and dryer. Nice bathroom here, and this would be the kids' bathroom. And this would be the kids' room, Juliet and Elizabeth's room. Carter would probably shack up with me because this is a 2, not a 3-bedroom, which I think honestly, because my kids only live part-time with me and I'm always out of town, a 2-bedroom is probably more sensible and more economically conscious of me to do. And as long as it has a nice living space, you know, and the closet is, man, that's plenty big for my stuff. I do get like a garage / carport here. That's great for when I have people come visit, because then when I have people come visit, they'll know exactly where they can park. And let's just take a look really quick, because I haven't been out here and I want to see what it would be like out here. Oh yeah. Oh wow, I didn't even know it goes over here. What? This is like a walk around, I guess because it's in the corner. See, they only have a small little outdoor. Well, look at this. It's like a walk around. Do, 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 do. And the ocean is literally, that's the pool. So this is kind of cool. I could sit up here while I watch my kids in the pool if I needed to. So really neat. Now let me show you the master bedroom and then we will be off. Oops. The other thing that I like about this place versus having a house is the security here. Hey, did I start off saying 500 Ocean or I didn't? You did. Oh, I did, okay. So one thing I like about 500 Ocean is that you're in a very secure building. They have lots of security here. It's kind of like a controlled prison, is what Josh told me, as far as, you know, the security of the building, which is just great. I need that, especially as a YouTuber. So that's that would be where we'd have our TV and our couch, and that would be our breakfast area, nice kitchen. And this is the master bedroom right here, which is really nice. You guys keep talking, it's okay. And that's our bathroom. Sorry, check out my closet. That would be my closet right there. Yeah, I like closets. And yeah, every room has that balcony view, which is so cool. So I really like this one, guys, especially with the amenities. Like the amenities you guys have is unlike too many other places, I'd have to probably say, huh?
It gets no better than this room.
Like all I really saw was a little bit, but pretty amazing. All right, so we have now this place that you guys can tell me what you think. This is their fitness room. Check this out. Talk about a very nice fitness room. That's awesome.
So right here, this is like another chill spot, like a Zen garden, you know?
Wow.
They got that crazy drinking game where the kids throw.
Oh yeah.
It's just like a real tranquil spot, you know? Everyone just
it's really quiet. Even in the middle of the day, there's no one out here. It's just relaxed. Nice place to go eat. I like that. So we are still at the same exact place. Now that very first one that you saw, it is a little bit pricey. It's about let's just say it's just under $2,000, which I think it's still worth it. This one is about $250 cheaper. Same exact, you know, building, everything. It's still a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Just a little bit smaller in certain areas, but I think it's still pretty great. So let me show you. This is where we come in the front door. And this is the main living area. This is the kitchen. So I think they incorporate the kitchen in the family room a little more. Perfect. I love the washer and dryer right there. So you would obviously have your family area, your TV. You can incorporate the dining room. I like how they did that. They put a little breakfast table there like that. This would be the master bedroom. Plenty of size for me. I mean, I'm not really picky, guys. I'm not really needy. Good closet. Got the bathroom. You know what? Tell me in the comment section below. This one is about 130 square feet smaller than the last one we looked at. I'm trying to see where that 130 square foot went, because it seemed almost just as big. Honestly, it almost seems as open. And this would be the kids' room. I would say it's not as hidden as well as the other one, But the thing that I really like about this building, guys, what I really like about it is the fact that I know my kids are getting older. They don't always want to just be right with their dad. And every kid needs their own space to escape to. And being that I can't get a really big house where that is possible, it is possible here because you got the beach 2 minutes away. Forget the beach, but they have the pool. They have the whole entire club area where you can go bowling, and there's a movie theater room, and you go get free coffee and work out. So there is so many places for the kids to do, so much stuff for the kids to do here. I'm almost feeling like this is it right now, guys. I almost feel like this is it. But we still have one more place to go. So I really want your help. I really want your input, guys, on what you think I should do. You know, not just, you know, which ones you like the best, but maybe financially, which one's smarter for me, because yeah, YouTube is doing good now, guys, but you never know what can happen in the future. So I have to take everything into consideration, and I appreciate you guys helping me. Now let's get to the other place. Okay, fam, we have made it to our final location, and guys, I don't know, I kind of got this feeling, this kind of like tickle, like down below, like that exciting tickle in your stomach, that this could even be better, fam. So we can go take a look, and you guys tell me what you think. Is this my future house? You tell me. The other thing I really love about it here that the other places don't have is that this is entirely gated. I'm so excited, guys. Thank you guys for making this possible, because if it wasn't for each and every one of you, and this is what I told you guys before about, I love it and I really appreciate people donating to me, but it's another level of just watching my videos, smashing the like button, promoting my videos. That's what makes my channel work. I've always said that, and now I think you understand that it's actually true and what I meant by that, because this place is because of each and every one of you. Nobody that not that people donated, for people that have continued to watch me, watch the whole video, watch the ads, don't skip them. Go to my Instagram, Twitters, my live streams, all that stuff. I'm gonna actually be able to get my own place that I can bring my kids to and call home. Thank you guys for that, seriously.
This is our beautiful entryway.
Wow, amazing.
Hi. This is our club room area. This is open during business hours only.
Okay.
9 to 6 during the week, and Saturday and Sunday till 5.
Gotcha.
So we always have infused water. This is all Wi-Fi. This is the business center. You can come in here, grab some coffee from 6 a.m. to 1.
Okay, great.
You can use the Mac or PC, use our printer, use our ink.
Cool, that's
Okay,
neat.
have a meeting in here.
True. That would actually be very good for me. Because
Yeah.
every once in a while I need to meet with somebody, but you don't really want to bring them to your house, but
They can come
you
in.
can do it, yeah.
Every Friday we do something down here, like last Friday we had happy hour.
Okay.
We do 3 things a month for the residents. Last Saturday we had brunch. Marinas on both sides.
Wow, the water is so nice. Anybody ever go fishing? I like fishing, so I would definitely go fishing. Oh, we got, what? You got a hammock and sand? Hey, Josh, just so you know, if I do move here, this is where I'm going to edit all my videos, laying in a hammock on the water. I'm not joking. I'm going to lay on the hammock and edit all my videos on a hammock by the water. What the hell? I don't know, guys. I thought the other one was it, but I haven't even seen the room yet. And unless the room is a ship box, this is gonna be it. Like, we can have a cookout every weekend right here. Do you have to you have a pizza oven? Now, do you let's say I was having a birthday party for my daughter. Do you have to reserve any certain areas, like say here?
No
Or
reserving.
okay,
And
great.
no huge parties.
Great.
You can have some.
No, can I have my family over, like 10 people over, families and
people,
stuff? Yeah.
not 50,
No, I
not
don't do
20.
that. I don't do that. We don't have that big of a family. No, I got the flyers ready, you know.
No, keep it nice and
Absolutely no, like moms, dads, grandparents,
Yes.
you know. Yeah.
So gather.
2 levels of the gym. What the heck? You guys even did the gym better.
Over 100 routines you can do. We have kettlebell weights, free weights,
Wow.
rowers, bikes.
It's great. It's like a real gym, actually. 24/7. Nice. I love it. Beautiful. Oh,
They
the
take
ice.
your drinks to the thing.
Oh,
And
okay.
this is the recycle.
So I never have to buy bags of ice ever again.
Ever.
Beautiful. It's wide open. Yeah, I need the brightness. That's really good.
Full size front motors.
Wow.
Ceiling fans in every room.
Now, how many square feet is this? 11 something?
Yeah, it's 12 something.
It's 12 something. Okay, so it's even bigger. So the rooms are, the last couple ones we saw, this is just a slight tad bit bigger than the other places we went to.
Custom closet. 2060 with 6 weeks free. Where's your phone? Who's got
You want to carry the one and buy by the hypotenuse?
Yeah.
What are you in here for?
They're going to figure out how much this place would cost, because the normal price, but if I decide to do this, if I sign the contract within like October 1st, which is only a few days away, which I wasn't planning on doing, they're going to do something special price-wise. They're going to lower the price, or they're going to give me like a free month that's going to basically like I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm going to get a better deal. It's going to save me like almost $200 a month. So I need help, guys. I need help. What do you guys think? Please let me know down below and we'll figure it out.
For 12 months.
Okay.
Every month, $17.85 for this.
$17.85. Wow. So the very first place that I looked at would have cost me about $15.50 a month. So for an additional $200 and some dollars, I can get this one.
With these amenities.
With these amenities. Now, price-wise, this is very similar to the very last place we went, the 500 East place, or the 500 Ocean place. What? Now that is a very good selling point. I do like that. Great.
So, say, watch your step. Say you're having a love seat here and you're going to use this door, you can get out that door. Or
Very
vice
nice.
versa.
Yeah.
Look how big your patio is.
Yeah, it's really good size.
Western view.
Yep. And then in the.
Watch all the storms come in.
Yep.
Fireworks.
And evacuate during hurricane warnings. All right, fam. I'm back at my brother's house. This has been quite the adventure. Not just this video today, but I'm actually going to edit this and put it up right now because I need to know from you guys. That means we're living in the moment here. So I just got back from Detroit with my friend Chelsea. Guys, it was just, I don't know, maybe just life-changing is the best way to put it. You know, I went there to help a friend out, guys, and in reality, I'm the one that ended up getting helped out. And she did too. As a matter of fact, she's calling me right now. I gotta stop this clip. So sorry about that, fam. Chelsea, you have horrible timing. I was actually telling her that just now. Anyways, guys. So I went there and I went to help her because she basically was trying to get some closure. She's actually doing a document series on her channel of basically closure. And I guess I know some really bad things happened to her when she was younger, like some really horrible things. And when I found out she was doing it alone, I was like, you just can't do it alone. And I know I just got back from this trip with Omar, but like, you can't let a friend, guys, like do something like that by themselves. You just can't. So anyhow, I went there and it ended up bringing up things that have happened to me in my past that I've never got closure on, that I needed to get closure on, and I did, which makes me just feel amazing. So, like I said, I had a great time. I also realized that, you know, a man that's single, a woman that's single, you know, that has a boyfriend, you know, they can actually be friends. And it's amazing that there's people that actually have that type of trust in their relationship. You know, and that's how relationships should be, guys. You know, once you lose trust, it's all gone. So shout out to Chelsea and shout out to you guys, because without you guys, none of this is possible. I love you guys so much. Haunted videos are on there. Hey, I almost forgot. And let me know what place I should get, guys. I'm a little nervous still because I told you I don't have a good credit history, because there is no credit history for many years. And, well, I don't know.